Pinoy Bix.
Welcome to Pinoy Bex. This is the continuation on how we actually compute for indefinite integral. And the following examples involve logarithm function. And from the formula, the integral of 1 over x dx, which is also equivalent to the integral of x raised to negative 1 dx, is equal to ln of the absolute value of x plus c. Okay? Okay, let us evaluate the following integral. For the first example, so the integral of 3e t, so the integral of 3e raised to t plus 2 over t dx. Okay. For the first term, this was already discussed on my previous video. So what we need to do is just apply the formula. So therefore, 3e t, okay, plus, and applying also the formula for logarithm function, 2 ln absolute value of t plus c. That's it. For the second example, okay, first rewrite we need to rewrite first the second and third um, term. We must bring the denominator into numerator to make it easier for us to find the integral. Then 12 over x, so minus 4. Using the log exponent x, this will become negative 2 plus 3x, and this will become negative 3 dx. Okay, for the first term, the integral of 12 over x, so we have 12 ln of the absolute value of x, so minus 4. Using the integration formulas for the power, so we need to add plus 1 to the exponent. Negative 2 plus 1, negative 1 over negative 1. And for the third, we have 3, also adding plus 1 to the exponent. So negative 3 plus 1, negative 2, and over the new exponent, negative 2. Okay, simplifying, this is equal to 12 ln of absolute value of x. So negative, negative will become positive. 4x negative 1. Positive, negative, so it will become negative 3x 2 over 2 plus c. Simplifying the integral, it will become 12 ln absolute value of x plus 4 using the log exponent over x, so minus 3 over 2x squared plus c, and this is the final answer. For the next example, again, we need to rewrite first the second and third for us to find the integral in much more easy. the integral 1 over 7 w plus e, this will become positive w, so minus 1/2 w, this will become negative 8 dw. Okay, integrating the first term, 1 over 7 ln absolute value of w plus integral of EW is EW minus 1/2 integrating the power, so W negative 8 plus 1 negative 7 over the new exponent negative 7, then plus C. Okay, simplifying, so 1 over 7 ln W plus EW, so negative, positive. So bring the W negative raised to negative 7 to the denominator. So that 1 over 7 times 2, 14 W raised to positive 7 plus C. And this is the final answer. That's all for today. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you. Pinoy Bakes.